Today, we're diving into the latest TikTok trend using CapCut. 2023 season comes to an end. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to create your own visually stunning journey through the year. Let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the CapCut application. If not, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the application. It's free. Also, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Now open the TikTok application and then we search for the 2023 season comes to an end. You will get a bunch of videos with this template applied over them. Open any video that has this effect. And here tap on this button called CapCut. Try this template. This will open a CapCut application with this template. Wait 1 or 2 seconds till the CapCut opens. Tap on the Use Template option. This will open our photo gallery. This is the foundation of your TikTok journey, so make sure to select your favorite moments from 2023. First photo will last a couple of seconds and it will be the cover photo. So choose smartly. Once you're satisfied, export your masterpiece. Tap the Export button and you're ready to share your 2023 season comes to an end TikTok trend with the world. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags and share it on your favorite social platforms. That's a wrap on creating the ultimate TikTok trend using CapCut. Keep in mind that you can also use your video for Instagram Reel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your CapCut creations with me. I can't wait to see your amazing TikToks. Until next time.